In this video, I'll guide you through how to rename files in Google Drive. Renaming your files properly might seem like a small thing, but it can make a huge difference in how organized and efficient you are, especially when you're dealing with lots of documents, photos, or project files. By the end, you'll know exactly how to change a file name quickly and confidently so you can keep your drive tidy and easy to navigate. First, you'll need to open Google Drive. You can do this by going to the Google Drive website in your browser or by opening the Drive app if you're on a mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Once Drive is open, you'll see your list of files and folders on the main screen. Next, locate the file you want to rename. You can scroll through your list of files, open a specific folder where the file is stored, or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. If you remember part of the current file name, type it into the search bar and Google Drive will filter your results. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct file, especially if you have similar names or multiple versions of the same document. Once you've found the right file, move your cursor over it and right-click on the file. On a touchscreen device, this is usually done by pressing and holding on the file until a menu appears. This right-click menu gives you several options such as previewing, sharing, or moving the file. For now, we're focusing on the option that lets you change the name. From that menu, click Rename. As soon as you select this option, a small text box will appear with the current file name highlighted. This is Google Drive's way of letting you edit the name directly. If the name isn't fully highlighted, you can click inside the box and use your keyboard to adjust it. Now, type the new file name you want to use. This is a good time to choose a clear and descriptive name so you can recognize the file later. For example, instead of something generic like document, you might use a name that includes the project, date, or version. Avoid adding any sensitive information and keep in mind that the file extension like .pdf or .docx usually doesn't need to be changed. Just focus on the main title of the file. When you're happy with the new name, press enter on your keyboard. On some devices, you might tap a done or OK button instead, but the idea is the same. You're confirming the change. Once you do this, the new name will be saved and you'll see it updated immediately in your list of files. That's all it takes. You've successfully renamed a file in Google Drive. You can repeat these same steps for any other files you want to rename, and over time, this small habit can make your entire drive much easier to search, share, and manage.